It's a 1957, early 57. It's a silver coupe. We did a complete interior with leather, which is wine leather. We replaced all the carpet. Basically, we did everything on the inside, put the correct speakers on the car, which is their oval, and then put the cloth on the grill, on the speaker grill, which is very rare, to have that original cloth on that. Chrome every single piece that's inside the car. For example, the seat recliners, seat levers, seat rails, just everything. Grab handles, door opening pieces, and then also did the headliner with the proper material.
Yes, one of the things about customer, he asked me to check the roof if there wasn't any evidence that that roof was replaced, because he wasn't sure it was original sunroof. You will see evidence if the roof was replaced. Front section, which is the 8 pillars, even in the back pillars, you can also see if there's any welding. And as you can see in the picture right here, and it's in the back and the front, there was no evidence about any welding or replacement roof. That means that this is original sunroof. It is going to make this car even more valuable, even more rare.
We did a leather dash, rear seats in leather, and this is kind of a nice car. I'm sure you'll see pictures of this car, because the combination between oatmeal and wine leather is really, really nice. With the silver, it's like a bomb. It just looks so nice together. One of the challenges is the seats. The front seats is because they're bigger than other newer models. So everything is so big in there. You want to make sure that those seats don't rub each other when you install them. So you got to compensate the padding, on the inside. The seat, when they get together, a lot of times you don't know until you install them, and then they're like on top of each other. We know that it's going to happen, so we kind of all prepared to do it right on the first shot. It's one of the nicest cars we've done, and I'm sure Tigran will be very happy with it.